We need all non-coaches off the field. If you are not a certified coach, you should not be on the field. Mad Dogs hold them on 4th down. Nice run by A.J. McBean, but there's a hold. Whoa, Spillane slips a tackle. Oh, he's gone, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, he ran through the A-gap. The A-gap is set up to protect the centers, and unfortunately that is a no-run zone for the defense or the offense, which unfortunately brings back a fantastic run. Comes up a very long 1st down. Nice run by Matthew Fine there. Stepped out of bounds just before the 1st down. And my apologies, but I think that first run... No, the first run was by A.J. McBean. He's up about a 2nd. And I'd say about 7. Nice play by number 1, Kingston Davies, with a nice pull. So we've got about 3rd and 6 here. This is a big play. Number 6 with the ball. First down and more. You gonna outrun him? Yes. Touchdown, Mad Dogs. Cody Collins. Looks like an illegal motion. Tough to get these 6-year-olds not to jump. They're all very, very excited. In fact, it's hard to get the 12-year-olds not to jump. So the Mad Dogs will try again. They're going for 1. No good, no good, no good. Extra point is no good. Oh, he's got some blockers. Oh! Nice run back by number 12, Trip King. Nice run by Wyatt Nucci. 11 minutes left until the half. 11 minutes left until the half. I'm pretty sure what's happening right now is that the coaches are being chastised for calling out too many instructions once the kids are set, which I think is an excellent, excellent job by the official.
Oh, good play.
It's a nice pull by number 6, Cody Collins. Oh, he tackled him. Unfortunately, that's going to be called a tackle. One of the problems with younger players is they tend to go down to their knees as they're pulling the flag, and they tend to pull the whole kid down with them. You need to keep their feet. I try to teach the kids when they're tackling to step in front and pull the whole belt, not just one flag. But unfortunately, sometimes that ends up pulling the whole kid down. So if you're teaching your kid, try to teach them to stay on their feet. That way, if they miss the flag, they can also go and run and chase them. So that was an unfortunate penalty. So it's first and about 7. Oh, that was a good-looking play, but it was snuffed out by number 9, A.J. McBean. Very, very nice play. Oh, great play. Great play by the Mad Dogs there. Six minutes left, 6 minutes. Oh, great play. Another great pull by Cody Collins. He's having himself a morning. Nope. Matthew Fine makes the play there, and the Mustangs turn it over on downs. First down, Mad Dogs. That was Matthew Fine with a fine run. Oh. Collins fumbles the ball. In the BCS, all fumbles are dead balls. Brings up a second and long. Oh, great play. Nice pull by number 12, Trip King. Trip King with another great pull. So the Mustangs have called timeout. One minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute left till halftime. Oh. Nice run by Douglas Blaine and a touchdown saving tackle by Knox Kiffin. So it's first down, Mustangs. Oh, great tackle. Great tackle by Cody Collins. Seconds left on the clock. Timeout Mustangs. About 25, 30 seconds left. Braden Sheets with a nice run, and that brings us to halftime. Oh boy, nice run here. Oh, what a tackle. Great run back by the Mad Dogs. Puts them in some really good field position. Trip King with an excellent defensive play there for the Mustangs. Flag on the play. Not exactly sure what happened there, but again, notice the gentleman who went for the flag, he dove on the last one and made a great play, so of course he dove on the next one. And really encourage the kids not to dive. They really need to keep their feet. Oh, that was a flag guard. Mustangs at third down after a pretty successful start. The Mad Dogs seem to be going backwards. Oh, that's unfortunate. The flag on the quarterback fell off. Fourth down on the Mad Dogs. Unfortunately, the quarterback's flag fell off there. So it's a loss of the down. Reverse. That was a good looking play, but it was snuffed out very quickly by the Mustangs. Tough to execute those plays at D6, and that was a good looking play, but the Mustangs did just as well to stay home and pull that flag, so it was a good looking play both ways. First down, Mustangs. First down, Mustangs. One thing I'm pretty impressed with the Mustangs is their shotgun snap is really, really good. At this age, that's pretty impressive. Usually kids don't really start doing a good job until about 8, 9 years old. So 6-year-olds doing a shotgun snap is very impressive. Dasher Lane with the run. He did the last 2 runs. Right, it's a big 4th down here for the Mustangs. Oh, quarterback sneak. Oh, is he turning the corner? Yeah, he's got that first down. He's got that first down. First down, Mustangs. Dasher Lane with the quarterback sneak. I heard the other coaches yelling it out. They knew it was coming. Mustangs are threatening here. Nice close game. Lane to the outside. Oh, nice pull by number 9, A.J. McBean. Nice run and a touchdown saving pull by A.J. McBean. Nice pull by number 7, Leo Lanza. First time we've called his name today, but showed up at the right time. Touchdown, Mustangs! Number 12, Trip King with the run. The Mustangs are going for one. Take the lead. Oh, great play. Matthew Fine with a touchdown, extra point saving pull. So we've got ourselves a 6-6 tie. Nice kick. Flags on the play. And hold. There's a hold on the Mad Dogs. Oh, but it's a decline. Second down, it was a decline. Nice run by Matthew Fine. So it's about third and, what do we got there? About 4? Third and 4? Oh, nice ball. Number 12. Trip King with a great pull. Fourth down, and the Mustangs are going for it. Excuse me, the Mad Dogs are going for it. Oh my goodness. Trip King with a great play. Mustangs Mustangs take it over on downs. Eight minutes left on the clock, 8 minutes. Incidental tackle, but he definitely tackled him. That's going to add on to the run. Oh! Can't blame the center on that one. Perfect snap. Fortunately, sometimes you start running before you have the ball in your hands. Flag guard on that play. I don't know if you could hear the coaches from the other side of the field screaming quarterback sneak. I'm pretty sure they heard them in El Segundo. There's a flag guard. Great pull by number 88, Keith Rodriguez. Flag on the play.
That's all right. Yeah, come back up to
BCS would like to take this break in the action to thank our generous sponsors for all of 2015. Dick's Sporting Goods, Sport Clips, Beach Broker Bread, Venice Bakery, Fresh Brothers, Nick Alexander Imports, and Physio X. If you'd like to be a sponsor for 2016, please contact sponsors at bcsflagfootball.com. Again, that's sponsors at bcsflagfootball.com. Unfortunately, that one is coming back. There is a flag on the play. Flag on the play.
Greg, I'm Harrison. Harrison, Pearson, and Barron.
I do, yeah.
We're up next. My in-laws really got
Oh, sure.
So you can ride up.
Oh,
When you're going into Montana.
nice run by Matthew Fine, and nice pull by Knox Kiffin. timeout. Big pull by Braden Sheets. Here's we have a mouth guard missing. Okay. That's a good official timeout. Oh, we got some. No. Kiffin with a touchdown saving pull again. Flag on the play. Flag on the play. All right, so it looks like we're going to overtime. So to let everybody know how overtime works, each team gets the ball. They have a choice of going for 1 or 2. If they both score, they have to go for 2 the second series. If neither team scores, they have to go for 2 the second series. We'll be playing on the east end zone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the season. Let's make some noise. That is a touchdown saving tackle by Knox Kiffin. So now the Mustangs are going to go for 1. If they get it, that is the season. No good, no good. The Mustangs are held out. So we go again. Double overtime. Touchdown, Mustangs! Looks like there's a penalty on the play. That's a little harder. So the Mad Dogs are going for 2 for the win. They're not going for the tie here. The Mad Dogs are going for it all here. Oh, it's a reverse. Touchdown, Mad Dogs! They go for the 2 and they go for the win.